What does cucumber do for the skin? Cucumbers can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. Some cucumbers are treated with a wax coating after they are picked. Do not wash these before storing, but make sure to wash thoroughly or peel before consuming. Avoid cucumbers with ends that are shriveled or withered. Cucumbers are best when consumed raw and have a mild taste and cool crunch that makes them a great addition to any salad or sandwich. Try mixing sliced cucumbers, tomatoes, and feta cheese for a Greek-style side dish. Jazz up your water by adding mint leaves and cucumber for a refreshing treat. Slice cucumbers into thick slices and dip them in your favorite hummus. Cucumbers are high on the pesticide residue list. The EWG suggests that you buy organic to ensure a lower risk of pesticide exposure. If you can't afford organic, don't fret. The nutritional benefit of eating conventionally grown, non-organic, produce far outweighs the risk of not eating produce at all. It is the total diet or overall eating pattern that is most important in disease prevention and achieving good health. It is better to eat a diet with a variety than to concentrate on individual foods as the key to good health. According to the USDA National Nutrient Database, 1 cup of raw sliced cucumber with peel, approximately 119 grams, contains 115 grams of water, 16 calories, 0.8 grams of protein, 0.2 grams of fat, 2.9 grams of carbohydrate, including 0.9 grams of fiber and 1.8 grams of sugar. 1 cup of cucumber provides the following percentage of your recommended daily allowance: 11% of vitamin K, 4% of vitamin C, 4% of magnesium, 4% of potassium, 4% of manganese, 2% of vitamin A, 2% of thiamine, 2% of riboflavin, 2% of B6, 2% of folate, 2% of pantothenic acid, 2% of calcium, 2% of iron, 2% of phosphorus, 2% of zinc, 2% of copper. Cucumbers also contain lignans, which research has shown may decrease the risk of cardiovascular disease as well as several types of cancer. Cucumbers contain high levels of nutrients known as cucurbitacins, which may have anti-cancer properties. These properties may prevent cancer cells from proliferating and surviving. Cucumbers contain cucurbitacins A, B, C, D, and E. Though there are no current anti-cancer therapies that utilize cucurbitacins, there is some preliminary laboratory research that has produced promising results. Bone health: low intake of vitamin K has been associated with a higher risk for bone fracture. Adequate vitamin K consumption can be achieved by eating a proper intake of fruits and vegetables. 1 cup of cucumber provides 11% of your daily needs, and is important for improving calcium absorption, which is essential for optimal bone health. When used topically, cucumber has a cooling and soothing effect that decreases swelling, irritation, and inflammation. Cucumber slices can be placed on the eyes to decrease morning puffiness or placed on the skin to alleviate and treat sunburn. Made mostly of water and full of important electrolytes, cucumber is a perfect food to have on hand during the hot summer months to prevent dehydration. Adding cucumber to water is a great way to increase water consumption as well. The cucumber is a member of the botanical family Cucurbitaceae, along with honeydew, cantaloupe, and watermelon. Made up of 95% water, cucumbers are naturally low in calories, fat, cholesterol, and sodium.